Mhm. Okay, yesterday we cleared all the things. Okay. This is 101. This one is okay. So right now we have three servers. Okay, 101, 41, and one more is there 39. Yeah. So guys, here uh, you can understand like 101 and 41 and 39. Okay. So what we have to make here, uh, whatever we have assigned the server like 101 as master and 41 as worker node 2, 41 as worker node 2 and 39 as worker node 1. Okay, we have to make it. Okay, right now there is no any master, there is no any worker node. This is simply like a server. Okay, these all right now. You will see here. Okay, these are simply like a server. Okay, simply like a server. So first what we will do here, first we will check the network. Okay, exactly what we have to make here, overlay network we have to set up. Okay, in overlay network already we have seen the theory part. Okay, already we have seen the theory part. So today we will practical the overlay network. Okay, so what exactly we have to make. I'm not practical. 1 minute guys. Okay, okay, so what exactly we have to make here, master bash 101, master here, master batch, master batch. Okay, so this one is 192, 168, 29, 102. Okay, and I have taken two more server. I have taken two more server. So there, what is the name? Batch worker node 2 and batch worker node 1. Batch worker node 1 and batch worker node 2. So their IP is 192, 168, 29. Their IP is 42. Okay, 49. Okay, 41, right? 41, 2 and 39. 39 and 41. 39 and here is Okay. So till now this act as a server only. There is no any cluster we have created till now. Okay. We have to create one cluster so that we can make this 102 as a master node and this 2 as a worker node. Okay, so for this one I have already explained about the concept of Docker Swarm. Okay, and how we are creating the Docker Swarm over the on top of overlay network. Okay, so we will start um, to make it. Okay, so first we will check the network. Okay, first what we have to take the step. First we have to check the network. Okay, so Docker network. Right now, these all are default network: bridge, host, and none. Okay, this server also we will check Docker network ls. Okay. Mm, mm. Okay. So here also we will check the Docker network ls. Okay, so we check the network everywhere. The similar by default network is available. So now we will initialize the swarm. Okay, so what we will do first? In first step, I will write the step also. Okay, number one, what we will do? We will. You have to check. You have to check the network by default network. Okay, by default network is available. Okay, first we will check this one. Okay, on all server, on all, mm, on all these three servers. Okay, so first we already checked. So by default server is available. Second, what we have to do? Second, we will initialize the Docker swarm. Okay, so what we will do? Initialize the Docker swarm. So when we will initialize the Docker swarm, okay, then what will happen? Whatever the server is available, okay, the server on which we will initialize the Docker swarm, okay, on which we will initialize the Docker swarm, that will become as a master node. Okay, that will become as a master node. So what we have written in architecture, we have taken this server as a master. So what we will do? We will initialize the Docker swarm on this server. Okay. So initialize the Docker swarm. Okay, that will become as master node. You can write it as here. Okay. Okay. So now how we will initialize? For initialization, there is a command. Okay, what the command? Docker Docker swarm init. Init means initialization. Okay. And then after you have to write advar size. Then after hyphen address. Then after you have to initialize the server as a master, right? So we will write here 192.168.29.102. So this will become as a master. Okay. So now we will follow the second step here. So in second step, we will initialize here the Docker swarm. So what we have to write here? Docker swarm init hyphen advertise. Advertise is advertise address. Okay, and on this one we will take this server IP 192.168.29.101. Okay, so what this command will do? This command will create this command will initialize the swarm. Swarm means what? That will create a by default network, and by default which network overlay, right? And one is bridge. Okay, so okay, I'm going to execute it, and this will give one token. Okay, and after initialization you will get one token. Okay, okay, so I'm executing. Okay, what happened? Response from daemon. This node is already part of Swarm. Use Docker Swarm live. Okay, yesterday already we left this one. Just, yesterday we have already deleted this one. Yeah. 1 minute guys, I'm deleting this one. Oh, even on this server is available. No, yesterday we already deleted, no?
Yes, yes.
But still it's showing Docker Swarm is available here. Yeah, Siphon. 1 minute. Last classes we did something wrong because of that issues. Yesterday we did this one. Okay, I will just show up. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, we will try this one. If you want to lift the swarm, okay. If you need to recover the swarm, I can no, I don't want to recover, I want to leave. Okay, I will try this one. Cannot left the swarm. Okay. Forcefully we have left this because in last classes we already initialized the Docker swarm. Okay. Anyhow, that is available there. So right now, firstly I have left this as a swarm. So now I will try to initialize it, and we will see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So now you can see here. Okay. Swarm initialized. Current node is now a manager. Okay. Now this node become as a manager. Okay. And he is telling here to add a worker to this one, run this command. Run the following command means this command. Okay. Whatever the server is available here, if you want to make it as a worker node, then you have to then we have to execute this command. Okay. So what we will do here, guys, tell me what we have to take the next step. In next step, okay, so we have to execute this token on the worker on the other server which you want to make as a worker node. Okay, so copy, I already copied. Okay, one more thing, Docker. You will check the network now. Okay, Docker. Okay, in the second step, what I have to write here, we already initialize. Okay, so in third, what we will do, in third, you have to execute, you have to execute the token given by, or means, okay, given by the initializations of Docker Swarm. Okay, on each server, on the server which you want to make, which you okay, which you want to, which you want to make as worker node, as worker node. Mm. So which server we have to make the worker node? These two server, right? 41 and 39. So in this step, now we will execute. Okay. Okay. Now we will copy. Okay. Before that, in you can check the network here. Okay. Okay. Network. I told Docker network ls. See now here by default right now we haven't created any custom overlay network here. Okay. After some times we will learn the custom overlay network, how to create the custom overlay network. Okay, so right now we have initialized the Docker Swarm. While initializing the Docker Swarm, what here happened? See, by default overlay network is created. Bridge means network driver. Okay, network driver is overlay. And here, what is the scope? Swarm. Swarm means wherever you will execute this token, that will become as a worker node. Okay. So while initializing this, two things happen. Hello, someone is speaking. Okay. So and while initializing this one more thing. Okay. By default, one bridge network also created. Okay. Now check here. Right now we didn't initialize, so nothing should be there. Okay. See, nothing happens. Now we will initialize. Okay. Now we will execute the token. Okay, this is already okay. This one again I need to, because okay, last command what we executed. Okay, because last time we have created. Okay, that's why. Okay, on this server also I'm executing the same command. Okay, yes. So now again we will copy and we will execute. Okay, okay. This will join your server as a worker node, so that this will become as a worker node. Okay, see, this node joined as a swarm as a worker. Okay, similarly we have to execute on this server as well. Okay, now check the network here. Docker network ls. See, here now same network came. Okay, now here also check. See, same network came here. Okay, so now what we did, now whatever we will perform any activity on this server, on master server, that same will initialize on this server as well. Okay, on worker node as well. So now this become as a worker node. Okay, so next step is what, we already checked the network, right? So now we can check here as a node. We need to check that this is becomes as a worker node or not. Okay, so you can check it here. Docker node ls. See, now you will see here master batch, yeah, means this server becomes as a leader. Leader means what? Leader means as a master. Okay, and these two become as a worker node. Okay, these two become as a worker node. Okay, so in third here I should write, in fourth what we will do, in fourth you can check what command, docker node ls. Okay, this command you have to check, so that whatever the master node, that will show there. Okay, okay, then fifth number. Now in fifth what we will do, now see, till now till now we haven't created the custom. Okay, we haven't created the custom. Okay, so so for applying the if you want to create any container over this default overlay. Okay, okay, can we try here? Okay, okay, before this one I want to explain the custom overlay network as well. Okay, so now what we will do, right now this is default. Okay, this is default overlay network. Okay, so now what we will do, now we will create a custom overlay network here. Okay, now we will create a custom. Okay, in fifth what we will do, we will create a custom, create a custom overlay network. Because while initializing the while creating the container, we need a custom overlay network. Okay, so that's why we will create a custom overlay network. Okay, so how we can create the custom overlay network, you can okay, for custom you can write docker, you have to create the network, right? So for creating the network, what you should write here, you can write Docker network create. What we want to create? Overlay. Okay, so overlay is what? Driver, right? So we can write driver. Driver is equal to what? Overlay. Overlay. Okay. And yesterday I told you about the your own subnet you can give here. Okay, you can assign your own subnet range here. So that also we will give here. For subnet, what we can assign? Subnet. Subnet is equal to whatever you want the IP, whatever the range you want, you can write it here. Okay. So what I should write here? Suppose I am giving here 10, 11, 10, 10, I believe. 10, 10. Yesterday I took 10, 10, 0, 0, right? 0, 0. Okay, I will take same one. 10, 10, 0, 0. Okay. And till what? I took yesterday it's 18. Today I will take 17. Okay. Then after you can assign the gateway. Gateway is equal to 10, 10. In this multiple only you have to give the gateway. Okay. So here I will give 10, 10, 0.1. Okay. And then after you have to assign, you have to give here the overlay network. What network means overlay network name here. So overlay network I will give here backend log, backend log DevOps overlay network. Over, this is big name now. I will make it little bit small. This one looks like big. Okay. I will give overlay overlay log net one. This is fine. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to initialize custom overlay network. Okay. So we have to write this command. Okay. In fifth, we will initialize custom network. Okay. Same thing you have to now. So where we will create the custom overlay network, on which server I should create? Tell me guys, on which server I should create?
Master.
Master, right? Okay, so we will create here. So tell me the command guys.
Docker network create.
Docker network create. Then a
Hi.
driver name, right?
Driver name hyphen driver.
Driver name is equal to overlay, right?
Overlay.
Overlay. Then after we can assign this subnet.
Subnet hyphen subnet.
Subnet is equal to, you can give the range, right?
Yes.
I took 10 dot 10 0 dot 0. You can take anything, okay? If you want 11 11 also you can write 11 11 0 0, suppose I took, okay? And by default is 16, right? So here we will take by default is 16. We can take like whatever you want. So I will take here 19. Okay. This means what? This means how many containers you can create on a single network. Okay. Okay. Now then after gateway. Gateway. Gateway is equal to same you have to give. Okay. You have to increase one by one. In this range only you have to assign the gateway. So 11, 11, 0, 1. Okay. What I took the name? Overlay log dev net 1. Okay. This is the custom overlay network name. Okay. So this is the command. Okay. Enter it. Okay. Now we will see that network is created or not. Docker network ls. Yes. So here you will see overlay and custom name is overlay log dev hyphen net hyphen 1 is initialized, right? And if you will see the scope of overlay is swarm here. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Someone is calling. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. Who is this? Yes. So here custom overlay network is created. Now tell me guys, this network is created here or not? Because by default you created the overlay network, so that is created there, right?
Yesterday only you told that it's a lazy network, so it will not create.
In
The screen is not
suppose,
visible to us.
yes, hello.
The screen is not visible to us.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, now visual. Yes, now visual, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now tell me guys, here here before the custom network, I have created the by default overlay network, right? What we created? By default, by default overlay network, right? Now tell me, then why then we already created the by default overlay network. Then what is the requirement of custom overlay network? Why we need to create the custom overlay network here? Anyone can answer? What is the difference between by default overlay network and custom overlay network? Tell me the difference. Can anyone answer it? By default overlay network, first we have created the by default overlay network by the initialization of Docker Swarm. Now we are going to create custom overlay network. Then what is the difference between by default overlay network and custom overlay network? Can anyone? Okay. See guys, on first, just now I have created the custom overlay network overlay log DevOps hyphen net hyphen one. Okay, so this one is created here. Now check on this. Okay, now we will check on this Docker network ls. See here custom network is not created, but when we have initialized the Docker swarm at that time by default overlay network is created with by default one bridge network, right? But now when we have created the custom overlay network, then this is created only over the master node, not on worker node, not on worker node. And we already created this as a because this one we already initialize the other server as a worker node. But why this network is not created on the worker node? Interviewer will ask you, okay, what is the difference between by default overlay network and custom overlay network? Then what you will explain? Here also you can check. See here also not created, correct? So tell me now, I shown the difference also. Now tell me any guys.
Yeah, yes.
See,
Said that custom overlay network is lazy network, so it is
yes,
built on existing physical network, and as per requirement, it will again create to worker network.
yeah. See, yesterday I already explained about the overlay network that overlay network is a lazy network. What is overlay network? Overlay network is a custom overlay network is a custom custom overlay network is lazy network. This is what? This is a lazy network. Custom overlay network is a lazy network. Lazy network means on demands only. On demands, this network will this network will create on worker node on worker node. Okay, on demands this network will create. When will on demands mean? On demands means when you are going to create the container. Okay, when you are going to create the container, okay, that time this custom overlay network will create a worker node. Okay, so you can tell the interviewer like custom overlay network is a lazy network. Okay, so now next what we will see. First we will
That means it is a user-defined network. So based on our requirement, we can create it, right?
yes, yes. This is based on user requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm clearing the screen. Okay. Now, just now, network we have created, right? What is the network name again? I'm tapping this. Now we will inspect this one. Okay. And we have given the range of subnet and gateway. Subnet as a range, right? So we will inspect this network. So Docker network, what we can write inspect. We will inspect this network and we will see what is inside this overlay network. Okay, okay, see now. Now see here, subnet is whatever we have defined in the subnet that came here. 111100 and 111101. Okay, that came here. And see, this is the network name. Okay, now next. So this is our custom subnet, whatever we have created, that one. Now next. Okay, custom network is created. Now next we will create a service. Okay, we will create a service. What point that one? Which point? What is the point number? Fifth, no? Okay, sixth. Okay, I will write as sixth now. In six, in six, we will create a Docker service. Okay, we will create a Docker service. Okay, now how we can create the Docker service? Okay, in Docker, the service is a part of Swarm. In Docker, what happened? In Docker, service is a part of Swarm. Okay, now we will create a service. Okay, how we can create a service? Whenever you are creating the container, you are writing as a Docker run, and here how you created the network, Docker network create. Then similarly we have to create one service, so you can write Docker service. These all are like similar command. Okay, Docker service create, and then hyphen name of service you can give. What we service name, whatever you want, you can give. Log DevOps service. Okay, service name. Now inside the service there will be what? Container. We will mention the replica here. Okay, replica means what number of container you are going to create. Replicas. Yesterday I already shown this one also. Replicas 5 or 6, whatever you want. Okay, 5 I have given. Then what the network name? What is the network name? Network name what we created? This one only, right? Okay. This is the network. Okay. Then after network name. Then after what you should assign? Image. Okay, image name. What is the image name, guys? Docker images. What image we have created? This one, backend image we have created this one. So we have to write here this image only. You can mention after this. And then after tag, right? Tag. Okay. this is the command to create a service. Okay. Okay, then we will create a service. Okay, with the service, you- with the service, you can create file container as well with the help of this image. Okay, under the network overlay log dev -net 1. Okay, within the custom network. So, okay, now we will create. See, right now, if you will see the network on worker node, okay, till now that overlay network is not created. Now, while creating the container only means creating the service, okay, whenever you are creating the service, under that service, you are going to create some container, some number of container, okay. So, while creating only, that network will come here, okay. See, what I have written, Docker service name, what you took, bro? Service name, what we have taken, log DevOps service, okay. Log DevOps service. I have given the name of service as log DevOps service. Okay, then after replica, you can mention replicas. Replicas, okay. I'm going to give here 6, okay. Now, then after overlay network. Network name. This is the network name, okay. Then after image name, right? This version, this tag I have given, okay. What happened? Something we did wrong. Check Docker service icon open. Docker service. Docker service. Create we missed, right? Docker service create, no? Docker service create should be there, no? Now, yeah. See the guys. Okay. Mhm. Okay, creating no such images. Okay, now one question I have. Now tell me guys, this network, this overlay network will create here or not? This overlay network will create on this worker node or not? Tell me guys,
No,
where these all container will create if and means why the if not, then why not created on this one? If create, then how will create, and if not, then tell me the answer.
because
Yes.
the image is not there, so it will not create.
Sorry, Nanita, your voice breaking. So can you repeat, please?
In the worker node, image is not present. Container will
Yes.
create on node.
Correct answer. Correct. Yes, that I explained in the last classes. Okay, that is
Yeah.
so. This is clear to all, right? See here, if you will check, that network is not created on this worker node. Also, I will check. See, we are good. All now Docker. What I should check here? Docker PS, right? See, those whatever we have given the 6 container, those all are created on this server only. Okay, on this server only. See, now here the memory RAM 3.85 Okay, consume. If you will check here, Docker PS, nothing is there. Nothing is here. This is clear to all, right? If clear, then I will go to the next point.
Yeah.
Can I go?
Yes.
Should I proceed? Okay. Then I'm going to the next. Okay. So now what we need to do? We need
No, one time you just saw that in one worker node only image is there, and in one worker node image is not present. Then I just want to see the container.
okay, means you want to means on this server, on this worker node, image should available and this worker node not. Likewise.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I will show that one. Okay, so before that one, I want to show you one Docker registry concept. Okay. Okay, that I should explain from a starting. Okay, one more thing I want to show you this command. Yesterday I shown you one more command. This one Docker service ps. What is the service name, guys? What we have given the service name? Yes. Okay. Docker service ps. We will check this one. Yeah. See, these all are rejected. Okay, you can see also. See, they try to create it on worker node 1, 2. Okay, they try to create it, but not created because why not? Because no such image available. Okay, because no such image is available. That's why it's rejected. Okay. Okay. Now, uh, now I have to show one Docker Hub registry. Okay. Docker Hub. Guys, tell me who have logged in on or created account on Docker Hub.
Mine.
You're already created. Okay, and anyone, guys? Anyone who have created, or I should show here? Okay, I will show how to create and how. Nandita, then you try. Did you try to push the images from the server to the port means repository, Docker app repository?
No, means
That
maybe I didn't remember. I tried, but currently I didn't remember how to do it.
okay. Okay, then I will explain these things also. Okay, and this one I will sign out. Okay, and then I'm going to create one account. Okay. Okay, then sign up. When you click on sign up, then you will get email ID you have to enter here. Okay. I'm going to write Harish Batch @gmail.com. Okay. Account name log DevOps. Okay. Password. Okay, I will give my password. Okay. Send me your business product address. No, I don't want any update. Sign up. Click on sign up. Okay. Or you can directly continue with your mail ID. Okay, sign up. Okay, what here I have to type? Using the Docker, signing with your email. Okay, email ID I have given. Gmail.com. Then continue. Okay, password. Okay, whatever. Mhm. Yeah. Now, now we are on Docker Hub. Okay, okay, anyway, okay. Now, now after this, you have to click on account setting. Okay, go to the account setting. Oh, I think I already used this email ID. No, 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 no. Okay, okay, yes, this email I used. Okay, so now, okay, you have to come here. Then you will see one option here, personal token. Okay, then option will be personal access token. Okay, click on this one. Verification, resend verification, email, then verify your mail. Email verification was okay. Then I need to log in on. Okay, I am verifying from my mail ID. Okay, from my mobile. Okay, you have to. Okay, Gmail. Okay. Verify email address. Okay, done guys. Verification is done. Now again I will come to here. Personal access token. Okay. See now here access token description. You can write a description here. Anything. Okay. Anything like here also I will write log DevOps. Okay. And here you will get some options. Okay. Options in the sense means anyone can change or read only means if you will give the access to someone, that person can read only. If you will give the read write access, okay, then person can do perform read and write. Okay, so I will write here read write delete. Okay, then you have to click on generate option. Okay, this will create one. See, no, this will create one token to use the access token from your Docker CLI. Okay, then what you need to do?
I have
Copy.
saved token.
Same token you have to run where? On your server, right?
Yes, to push the image.
To push the image. Okay, then image is available on this server, so I will log in on this one. Docker login -u. Okay, then password we have to assign this one only. Okay, password what you will give? This token only. Okay, copy this token and paste it here. Then enter. Okay. Yeah. See, login is succeed. Okay. Login is succeed. Now, now again, come to here. Okay. Now this one is connected to that server. Okay. Now again, come to this one. Okay. Click on this one so that you will. Okay. So repository where will come.
In the home page.
On this one only, right? Where that will come, home page will come from where?
Downside.
From this one should come now.
Scroll down, scroll down. No, this is not there.
Docker home. Okay, I will write here Docker. 1 minute. That should come right. Docker admin console, Docker Hub. Yes, on Docker Hub, guys, you have to select this one, Docker Hub. Docker Hub. Okay, one option will come here, Docker Hub. That one you have to create, then you will come to the repository here. Then now create the repository. Okay, create the repository. Okay, this is the namespace. Okay, this is the namespace. Okay, that we already created. Okay, now you can give the repository name. Okay, so suppose here I'm giving anything like the log repo name, log repository name, right? So backend log backend repo. Okay, you can write something here. You can give as some descriptions here. Okay, I will write the same things here. Okay, I'm giving the short descriptions here. Okay, then after you can create here two options is available. One is public and another one is private options. So both options is available here. Okay, so you can select anyone. So here I'm selecting the options public. Okay, so if if you are going to select public, it means what? Public means what? Any guys?
Anybody can access or
Anyone can access, right? We will give private, then I can access only. If I will assign here as a public, then anyone can access. Okay, I am giving as a public here. Okay, so okay, click on create. Okay, okay, this is created. Okay, now okay, now here you are able to see one command here. Docker push here name and space name, and then after image name, and then after the image tag. Okay, okay, now see, whatever your image will be on server, first what you have to make the name. In a starting you have to give the namespace. What was the namespace here? It was showing log DevOps. Okay, in a starting you have to mention the log DevOps. Okay, means namespace name. Then after whatever the image name that you have to give, and then after the tag name. Okay, so now what is the name available on the server? Docker images. See here, that format is not available, right? Log DevOps backend hyphen add and tag is 1.0.99 as snapshot. Okay, so if you will try to push this image, will this image will go on Docker Hub? Tell me guys. If I will try to push, like say push, Docker push, and I will now tell me guys, can this command will push this image to the Docker Hub, or we need to make any changes? Answer anyone? Anyone can answer it? Will this image will go on Docker Hub or this will fail?
You haven't you haven't provided the Docker Hub username.
Docker Hub,
Username
I
was
already logged in.
already logged
I
in.
already logged in. This is the
So it should be go.
yes,
It should be go.
it should go. Okay, Janki, yes. Then other guys, or we have to follow this one.
It will
Wait,
go.
wait, wait. Have you entered the command in the server?
No, not
Docker
see, and
okay, wow, wait.
I have written the command only.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, now you can send it. Yeah.
Yeah, this will means this will go to the Docker Hub. This image will go on Docker Hub or not.
Yes.
Other guys
Yes, we go.
will go. No, this image will not go. See here already Docker commands is showing here. You have to follow these instructions. Okay. First, you have to give the name a space, then after image name and tag name. So here, if you will see, here if you will see, here is only the image name and tag name. Where is
Name
the name,
given.
name aspect? Name aspect we haven't written here, right? So this will help. Okay, I'm trying here now. See, denied request access to the resource is denied. Okay, now what we need to do here? Now we will tag. Okay, we will make the changes in this image. What we will do? Docker tag. This is the old name of image. Okay, this is the old name of image. Oh, sorry. That you have to give the old name. Okay, and then after whatever you have to give the new image name, then you can write the new image name. So what we have to follow? First, we have to give the name a space name. Okay. Okay. Not copied. Control C. Okay. Repeat. Then after image name, now you can give the image name at tag. So what this will do? This will change the image name. Okay. This tag command will rename the image name. Okay. What this tag command will do? Rename this. This is right now. If you will see, this image is available here. Okay, this image is available here. Now that image will override and one more image will come with this image. Okay, see, enter it. Enter now. See the image. Docker images. See, we make the changes with log DevOps. Now see the pattern. Whatever the pattern is provided by Docker Hub, same pattern is there, na? Correct, right?
Yes.
Now you can push it, right? Now this will push to the Docker Hub or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, now it will push.
Now this should push, right? So Docker push. What is the image name? This image. Okay. Okay. Now, see, now it's going, right? See, now it's going, pushing. Anyone have doubt? Then tell me.
What
See, right
if
now,
no? My question is, if we will not give the image name as the same, and we will follow the same name, then
sorry, I didn't get your question.
my question is like you have tagged the image with
Yes,
the
yes. I get the name according to whatever Docker have provided me. See, Docker have provided you to write the image in this format. Okay, first you have to write the repository name. Then after you have to write the this one image name and then tag name. Okay, this format will go. Yes. Now, what is your question?
my question is if I'll not tag the image, simply I'll just provide the repository name After that image name, then it will push or not?
No, that will not go, right? That will not go. How this image will understand where I have to go? This one
I'm just giving the location, repository name.
means log DevOps only you will give.
No, I'll give Docker push slash log DevOps slash, and before giving the image, pushing the image, I'll not tag the image.
Means simply before tagging it, you will give log DevOps, then after forward slash these things, right?
Yes, yes.
Then how that will understand, how this means system will understand this, that this is the Docker image, okay? This is the full image of Docker. Docker image name should be available with the repository name, okay? That he is telling, okay? That he is telling that your whatever the image is available, okay? See here already you created one repository, right? So how that repository will come inside this folder? This is like a folder, okay? This is like a folder. If you will go here,
I'm
see,
providing the location.
then how this will come to know this is the location?
I'm already logged in the Docker Hub.
No. That is the not format, okay? In format, see, whenever you are copying something into the folder, you are giving the folder name or not?
Yes.
You are giving the
Yes.
folder name, right?
Simply just try to push one another image.
Okay. Let me push. Okay, let's try. Oh, this one should be right. Okay, 1 minute.
There, but
Image name.
image.
Okay, I got. You want this one, and then any image. Okay, I will write this image. Okay, and you will give the image tag also, right?
Yes.
Then this will tell you this image is not found. See this, right? So now tell me, Nandita, this where is your, see, Docker push, whenever you are giving the command, this command will understand you are giving the name of image here. This image is not available on this server. Okay, see now. See, an image does not exist.
Okay. So before
Got it?
the image, I have to tag.
Ah, now clear?
It means like without creating the repo, we cannot be go inside that. First, we need to be create the repo for the namespace, right?
Yeah. You have to follow this, that one, okay?
Mhm.
See, now if you will see, this one we have pushed, right? See, here, if you will click on this one, okay? Now here you are able to see your image is log DevOps backend app. That is the name of image, and here is the tag 1.0.9. Okay, now this came on this server. Here also you can make the changes like this repository does not have a description. You can write it something like this will be like backend project for the reference only. Okay, you can update it. Nothing will change. Okay. The repository does not have a category. You can make a category also. Okay. Like this image is like API management, data science related image. Okay. You can select any. Okay. Any options. So I will keep inside this one. You can update this one. Okay. So nothing will happen. Now this image is available here. Okay. So now now I want to pull that image on this server. Now tell me guys, now this image we can pull on the worker node or not? Or not? Tell me. Now I want to pull. Okay. Now I want to pull like this. Uh,
It's a public image, so we can pull.
so we can pull everyone.
It's a public repository, so I think we can pull.
Other guys, tell me answer.
Public, so we can pull it.
We can pull it or not? Tell me the answer.
Yes.
Yes, we can pull it.
We can pull. Okay, everyone is agree with yes. Okay, then I am pulling this image. Okay, Docker pull. Okay, now pulling. Guys, you can also pull this image if you guys want this image. Okay, see, if you will search from your network, try to search. Okay, this one. If you will search this image, okay, okay, I'm opening one incognito. Okay, Docker Hub.
It is a private repository, so we can pull or not
Private you can't.
in the worker node.
In the worker node that is already available. Na? So why you will pull? On worker, this one you are telling.
Yes, because it's a
No, no.
public repository, so here we will able to pull it. But
In private you can't pull it.
repository, then in the worker node also I can't pull.
No, you can't. You can't.
For the private, so if I will give the access, then we can pull it now.
If I will give you the access, then you can pull it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
There is-
See now, guys. Now I have opened one incognito window. Okay. Docker Hub I have to open now. Docker Hub. You guys also try this one. Okay. Anyone try to open this one? Okay. And without login, search here. This application. Okay. See, this one is available. Guys, try this one. You are able to search this one or not? Try on your system. Try to search. See, I am going to see. This one is open. See, I haven't signed in or sign up. This is public. That's why I'm able to open. You guys can try. If you are able to see, then tell me, okay? Who is able to see this image from their own system?
Without login, right? Without login to the
Or
repository.
without login, without login.
I'm unable to see, but I have logged in, but I'm unable to see that.
You are given the same name.
Yeah, log DevOps.
Can you send the name, Harish, on the chat?
Okay,
The name.
the chat I'm giving you. This should be available to all. I think. Now check.
Okay. Yeah, I'm able to see. Yeah, correct. I got it.
You are able to see, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, and other guys.
Yes, I am also able to see. I can able.
Okay, then everyone is able to see. Okay, and you can try to pull that image on your system. Okay. Okay, now where we are. Okay, it's pulling. Okay. Now, previously we have created some container. Okay, now I will delete those all container. Okay. Docker First I will delete this all container. Okay. Okay, tell me guys how to delete it. Docker rm -a dollar at a time I can delete docker ps-aq, right? Okay. Yes, all deleted, right? 6 container is deleted. Docker ps all deleted. Okay, done. Now Nandita have suggested like I will means I have to pull the images on this worker node only. She don't want to pull these images. Okay, so now tell me guys, if image is available on this worker node only, then where our container will create? Will create on master node or worker node, or should create on this node as well? Tell me guys. If image say Docker pull I did on this worker node only, not on this worker node, then in that condition, what will happen? Tell me, guys.
In the master node as well as worker node 1.
Master node and on this node, right?
Yes, yes,
Worker node 2,
yes.
correct? Okay. Other same. Other one, tell me, anyone? Ravi, tell me.
No idea.
Janki is telling no idea.
But it
Tell
should
me,
be 9
Ravi,
full date.
Ulas, can you answer? Chaitanya, can you answer it? Can ever if we will create if we will create with service name here, then that will create whatever the container will create on this server, on this server, on this server, on these 3 server or not, or either only on 101 on 41 only. Yes, tell me guys.
101 and 41.
101 and 41 plus.
The master.
Ravi, you? Ravi? No idea about it. See, previously I already shown you that wherever image will be available on that system, on that machine only, our container will create. Okay, because this is, see, in a starting I try to create the network, custom network, okay, that created on only on this, not on this, okay, because this is lazy, custom network is a lazy, okay. So now what will happen, this will create on 101 as well as on 41. Okay, let's try now. Docker service. Service, what is the service name? Okay, service already created. Okay, then again, one minute. First, Docker service ls. Docker service ls. Okay, we can remove this service also. No need of, no use of this one. No? Docker rm. You can give the ID or this one. Okay, you have response from daemon. No such container. Okay, then ID you have to give. So I have deleted that.
Docker services, then rm hyphen.
Okay. I haven't mentioned service. Docker service RM, right? What happened? I think I have given icon of contact. Okay, and then I think icon is not required. Okay, deleted. Deleted. Okay. Now again, I'm going to create a service and few replica. Okay. Now see, earlier this was like in red color. Okay. Now it's came to their original. Okay. Okay. Now what we have to do? Okay. Create now Docker service. Docker service create. Then after service name, right? Okay. What you want to give the service name? Log service one. Log backend service. I will give the log backend service one. Okay. Then after replica, right? Replicas. How many replicas you want, guys? Tell me. Okay, I'm giving 4. Okay,
As far as memory.
5, 6. Okay, I'm giving the 6. Hyphen network. And network name. What are the network name, guys? We have created custom network. Okay, this one only, no? Custom network name. Then after service name, this one replica 6. Then after network, okay. Then after image name, right? Image name, what is the image name? This image name, right? And then tag name. See, this time I took this image, okay? Okay, version is same, right? Tag is same. Okay, now tell me guys, this will create on 101 and 41. Okay, I'm entering, okay? Okay. Now we will see what will happen. Okay, preparing, starting, running. This will try to third node, means first node as well, okay? But their container will not create. See, this will try, okay? See, no image should be seen here, okay? Because that will try on worker node 1 as well. Okay, then tell me guys on which basis this one will like see we have given the 6 replica, okay? So on which basis this container will divide on the master node on worker node on which basis? If interviewer will ask you, what you will answer? On what basis?
Yesterday I have asked the same question.
Interviewer asked you, right? So,
No. Yeah.
in Docker, actually, there is an algorithm. Okay, whoever have created means developed the Docker concept, who have written one algorithm. Okay, according to the algorithm, okay, that is followed. Okay, you can tell him like that only.
Is there any command or is there any so in the algorithm we have to mention all things, right?
That is by default algorithm inside the Docker.
So we can distribute the containers
That
should go in this worker node and this container should be go.
yes. According to algorithm, this will distribute. See, 4 is created, now 2 is remaining. 4 out of 6 tasks. So now one more question I have. So now overlay network will create here or not?
Yes.
That will create, right? Okay. Should I check or should I check now any container came or not? Docker PS. Okay, 2 container came here. Our Docker network ls. See, here network came. Okay, then how many is remaining? Now 2 is remaining. We will see till now 2 came here. Till now 2 container came here. Anyone having any question, ask me.
Till now the error didn't came that no such images found.
And that not came here. Okay, that we will inspect the network. Okay. Or might be, oh, okay. Why not came, not came because there is, he understand, master node what understand. Okay, already in network, no? Okay, that is also a good question. No image not came here, no?
Yes, that error didn't came.
Okay, but should try on this server as well.
Check that image is available or not in the worker node one.
Here, okay. Here we didn't push, no? So here how will? Oh, okay, that is in same network, no?
It's already available.
Okay, because this is in same network.
But here
Previous did
we haven't pulled the image.
we haven't pulled the image here. Then how this came here? Okay, I think this one is already available from 11 days back. I think this is different image. Log DevOps backend app. Okay, log DevOps. There also we have given the same. No, this is another one. Okay. Actually, previously I tried. See this one I cloned. Okay. Docker image we didn't did here. No? Okay. No. This is wrong. Actual means this image is not available. Okay. Okay. How we can delete it? This one is different image. Okay. See. This one is used by other container. In last classes, something I did because of that only. Okay. Uh, used by container. This image is used by some container. Okay.
Check here also container is created or not.
Okay. Docker PS. Oh,
It's
oh,
created.
that's what. Oh, it's created. Okay. That image, how this image came here? I think because of I did some clone because of that something means every time something is going wrong actually I think.
If we copy the same image that is older one already existed on the system, we'll take the same date, the first one created.
Sorry.
Uh, if the image is available on the system and we deleted that image, but some backend is still left on the system, and
Correct, correct,
if we
correct.
copy the image, the
Uh,
date will be take previous means.
correct.
Uh,
Yeah, means he's telling like, see, I already make the clone of this server, okay, because on this server already images are there, okay. I have deleted it, okay, but but there some parts are will be available on this server, okay. That's why this came here, okay. But you guys, you guys try, okay. You make the new server, okay. Don't make a clone, okay. Try with new server, okay. Take a three instance, okay. Create three instance and try the same things, okay. Try the same things. So now 6 is created. See now Docker PS here 2, okay, and distributed same I think. But one more thing I want to do here, okay. One more time. Guys, you have time now. One more thing. I will delete the image again, okay. Docker images. This image is available. Even tag is not available, and without tag this one created, okay, but image is available, but without tag how this one is creating. That question is also, because see, suppose this
uh,
image having different version, okay, and this image having different version, then that should not create, right?
Tag is required to identify a repository means image name if the multiple image name having the same name. If the image is single and then tag is not required. That's why
Okay,
it
okay, okay, there is only a single image, okay, okay, that's the correct only, because by default he is understanding the same tag, okay. Okay, that is also a good things. Okay, then then this is done. So now I think this is clear to all. I think now now we have to ping, no? Means now we have to check this container is talking to each other or not, right? Now two containers here, two container here, two container here. Then tell me guys how we can check it fastly, or you will do yourself. Okay, I will do. Okay, okay. Docker PS. We have to check this container is talking to another server container or not. Okay, then we will come to know that how one container is talking to the another container, right? So what we will do, Docker, we have to go inside the container, right?
Yeah.
How we can go inside the container, Docker?
Docker network inspect. Oh,
Do-
sorry, sorry.
We have to go inside the container. Tell me the command.
Docker execute hyphen it image ID. Yeah, Docker container ID.
Container ID. This one is correct.
Yeah.
Then
Okay. Has been there.
okay. Now we are inside the container.
Yeah.
Okay, and ping. Ping is not available by default. Ping is not available, no? So we have to install it. I told you, I think in live classes. Command name, tell me guys. Install hyphen y IP route 2, no? IP route 2, I think. Okay, well, yeah, installing. Okay, this is installed. Now one more things, IP utils. -y IP utils no utils ping. Correct. Yes. Okay. Now inspect, guys. What is the IP of this container? We need to check now. Then what Docker inspect. Then we will able to see the network IP of this container, right? Docker inspect container name. Okay. Yeah, this one. Here two container, no? So see one container 11.11.0.62. There is two containers, so there should be two IP. Okay,
And
network
I
IP.
have his and his
We can inspect the network here. Docker, if you will inspect the network here, then both uh, Docker network.
Inspect.
No, I want to see the network.
Network spelling.
Okay. Network. I want to inspect Docker network. Docker network. What is the network? This one. So there should be two only, right? What even? Oh, inspect. Yeah. See here. See, one is 59, one is 59, and another one is 69 assigned here. Okay, so now I will try to ping this one 59 from here, from this net, from this container. Okay, tell me the command, guys. Ping
Hyphen M.
hyphen hyphen
M.
m.
Then IP.
Hyphen c. Then after you have to pass the message number. What number means what packet you want to pass. Then after IP, this IP I want to pass. Yeah, see, response is coming, right? See, 5 packet transmitted, 5 received, 0 packet loss. One more is there, right? 62, that one also I will check. 62. Yeah, so it's talking, right? This is clear to all, I think. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So now I think overlay network is, I think, over now. Okay, guys. Then I think overlay network is now over. So in next class, we will learn about two more network is there, right? One is IP MAC, I think. IP MAC, MAC and IP one more IP VLAN. Two are remaining. Okay. Okay. Now we will meet on next weekend. Okay. So from next to next weekend, two more concepts are remaining. Okay. Two more concept. One is Docker Compose. Okay. One is Docker Compose, and one more concept is there. Yes, Docker Swarm, I will little bit explain more, okay? Because this is the two concept only, Docker Swarm and Docker Compose, okay, is the most askable question in the interviews, okay? And these are the two concept remaining in the Docker and everything I explained, okay? So now, after Docker Compose and Docker Swarm, our Docker will finish, okay? Then I think next weekend means in September I will start the what I should start Kubernetes. Okay, Kubernetes I will start. Okay, from September I will start the Kubernetes, and in next class Docker Compose I will teach you Docker Compose and little bit more about the this one Docker Swarm. Okay, so next weekend Kubernetes will start. So be ready to study the Kubernetes also. Okay, and guys, kindly try these all things. Okay, without see if you guys will not practice these all things, you are not going to perform anything. You will forget everything. Okay, so if you will perform these all things, see these all things you can perform on this one AWS. You can practice or means like whatever I have created here, like few server I have created with the help of Oracle virtual machines. Likewise, you can create. Okay, and you can also perform these all activities. See, if you guys will not perform these activities, then what I should say, like no use, right? So, okay, guys. Thank you guys to join the call.